I've been letting all these sort of fake crypto experts who've now turned into ChatGPT experts answer this question, and watch this flurry of a huge wave of fake ChatGPT gurus talking about this ceaselessly online. I've been testing ChatGPT for the past maybe 2 or 3 months. I have used it to help me with my content creation. I've used it to help me with my content strategy. I've used it to help me with my holy mackerel, my captions and verbiage on different posts on different social media platforms, blog posts on my website, email marketing campaigns. And I'm so excited that you actually asked this question, Imad, because now I'm going to finally give my take on ChatGPT. Artificial intelligence, the hottest topic at the beginning of 2023, and that is this. After using it for several months, after testing it out, after, really playing around with it for a long time, a couple of things. Number one, is it a phenomenal innovation? 1000%. It is a phenomenal innovation. Number two, is it going to replace everybody's position? Is it going to replace everybody's job? Is it going to destroy Google? Not even close. It is still a tool. And ChatGPT is a phenomenal tool. It's a phenomenal resource. It can streamline. It can definitely save you a lot of time on different types of tasks that otherwise would have taken you hours and hours, if not more. So it's a time saver. It's an amazing tool, but it's not an end all be all, because the human element is still a binding partner in the results of using ChatGPT. What do I mean by that? You still have to ask ChatGPT the right question at the right time, in the right format, with the right effectiveness, meaning, and implementation. So it's not just about ChatGPT doing everything for you. It's not just about artificial intelligence doing everything for you. It's really only going to produce dramatic or effective results with your partnership. It's not just about doing, it's about asking the right questions of ChatGPT. So I have used it to come up with unbelievable captions on my posts. I've used it to come up with amazing ideas and suggestions and examples of blog posts, YouTube titles for my videos. But I got to be honest with you, and we're still kind of in the first sort of iteration of this. A lot of the time, it still took a lot of me to kind of fine tune it and mold it to what my needs are. So is it a phenomenal tool? Absolutely. Is it one of these things that's going to completely replace and completely obliterate the necessity of human involvement? Absolutely not, because it's all about how you use that tool, right? It's just like having a nice car. Having a nice car is amazing, but how the driver makes the difference in the race. So all the racers could have the same specs, the same vehicle. Why is there always one consistent winner? It's how you drive it. That's my thoughts on ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments what you think of what I just said. What are your thoughts on ChatGPT? How do you use ChatGPT and artificial intelligence with your content, with your business, with your content strategy, with anything at all? I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know. Oh, this is really interesting. Google has answered the call to battle. Satya Nadella and Microsoft partnering with Bing and Sam Altman from OpenAI. And Google is coming up with basically their version, because this is the greatest kind of innovation, since, I mean, you could almost say since the iPhone, or since social Web 2.0. Really, this is Web 3.0 in a whole new level. And so I think I never thought in my lifetime I would see something come along that will challenge the 800-pound gorilla, the behemoth, a company that I felt was untouchable like Google. But let me ask you guys, that especially this unbelievable, sophisticated Nez Nation audience that we have, I can definitely say for myself, since using artificial intelligence, OpenAI programs, it's not just ChatGPT, there's plenty others out there, I have found myself significantly using Google a lot less. I'd love to hear from you guys. What do you think? And also let me know in the comments, do you want me to do an entire stream, an entire show or video? Here's how I have been using it. Again, it's a tool and it helps me look at ideas three-dimensionally. So all my ideas about how I should title my YouTube video, how I should title my content, how I should describe, how I should ascribe keywords, or how I should distribute them from a marketing standpoint using very specific, captivating, compelling caption and copywriting. I've been doing that absolutely 100%. But again, it's not something that is a substitute. It's just simply an aid. That's how it's been for me. It's been an aid. But I will tell you this. Here's something that I don't know if anybody's been telling you. I'm sure some people have. What I have been doing, okay, because I think SEO and search is forever transformed. What I have been doing is trying to produce a lot more LinkedIn articles, a lot more blog posts with ChatGPT's help. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to effectively get more ranking for a lot of my ideas about the creator economy, a lot of my ideas of the labor market, et cetera, et cetera. And so I can rank and search and again, draw traffic to my site, which in turn helps me to grow as a brand and a business. And so I have been having a lot of fun with that. But to answer your question directly, Barb, absolutely. Absolutely. And it's been a great tool. Again, you know, the same thing I used to do with Google where I would search, themes and topics or use Google Trends to help me with what are the ideas that my audiences are really thinking about? What are hot topics, trending topics? It's the same thing. Google is a tool. ChatGPT is just a more sophisticated tool. So it's fantastic. Not a substitute, but a highly, highly effective tool.